Alright, so we have my 124 Spider Abarth running the full Ragazzon exhaust, high flow cavity downpipe, crosspipe, midpipe, valve to axle back. Valves open right now, I may switch in between them. We have Dan at track day. He's running a Goodwin Racing exhaust. It's a catback, basically the axle back, the midpipe, the crosspipe. He does not have a downpipe. I believe it's, let's see. Yeah, it's no muffler at all, unresonated. We'll do his first, see how it sounds, and then compare it to mine with the valves open, and then I'll close my valves and see the difference. So that was actually a lot of different sounds. I had valves open, valves closed, sport mode on, and then sport mode off. It actually doesn't have the burbles, believe it or not. So in post, I'll edit them in the way they're supposed to be. But hopefully that might be a good sound comparison of the Goodwin Racing system to a degree without the downpipe, the full entire Ragazzon valve, open, close, and if you're interested in the Ragazzon, reach out to us at Driven District, and if you're interested in the Goodwin, go reach out to Brian at Goodwin Racing to pick that one up. So hope you guys enjoyed.